News flows coming in. US President Joe Biden held his highest level talk with Chinese Premier Lee Quang on the sidelines of the G20 summit in New Delhi, speaking about the major issues like stability and the South Hamshire. Remember, such a meeting took place after nearly 10 months. Meanwhile, Biden later called China's economic situation as a crisis, and this makes their invasion in Taiwan less likely.
And following strong demand from investors, the Softpan Group-owned chip designer ARM will likely be able to price the IPO at the top or above its $47 to $51 per share range, according to Reuters. Now, the company, however, will not offer more shares given that SoftBank wants to retain its 90.6% stake in the company.
And another setback for Alibaba Group, Zhang is stepping down as the CEO of the company's cloud division, reports suggest. Remember, this comes in less than 9 months after he took over the cloud unit.
And shifting gears, as per reports, Vietnam Airlines is expected to ink an agreement to buy about 50 Boeing 737 MAX jets in a deal valued at $7.5 billion. This prospective deal will be seen as a significant development for Boeing, as it would enable the US carrier to retire over 40 older generation Airbus SE A321 planes.
And Morocco earthquake has recorded around 2,000 deaths and around 2,400 injuries, according to the latest update from the Moroccan Interior Minister. Moroccan troops and emergency services were reportedly struggling to reach the most affected areas in the Atlas Mountains region. Meanwhile, France, Spain and Israel have extended support to Morocco for rescue and rehabilitation of the affected people.
And well, what a morning it's been coming in from New York, because it's 24 and counting for the tennis GOAT Novak Djokovic. At the age of 36, the Serb has shattered all records once again to clinch his 24th Grand Slam title and reclaim that top seed spot, shattering Daniil Medvedev's streak after a stellar comeback in the US Open. Now, this is Djoko's third Grand Slam this year alone and the oldest person to win the US Open title ever. Even though the finals lasted for just 3 sets, it was a grueling one, with Medvedev giving it his all. And after winning the title, Djokovic donned a shirt with number 24 and Mamba Forever written on it as a tribute to the late NBA star Kobe Bryant, who wore that jersey number.